Now that I've applied the base coat on each of my 10 toenails, I am ready to apply the coloring. I've allowed 3 or 4 minutes for that base coat to dry before I do this. I have chosen today to do a color on all my toenails, although I'm going to demonstrate how to do a French pedicure, and this is the way it's done. For a French pedicure, you're going to purchase white coloring nail color. Usually it'll be labeled French manicure. So I'm going to get a little bit of that and not get too much on my brush so it won't smear all over the place. Although if it does smear, it's very easily fixable. I'm going to apply the white coloring only on the tip. As you can see, it goes on not very straight, and no problem. This is what this brush is for. You get a nail brush, you dip it into the nail polish remover, remove the excess off of there, and you just gently go across, removing the excess polish. And just repeat as necessary until you make it nice and smooth and make it look like it's a straight line, and it looks neat and professional. After that, I would allow that to dry and put the top coat on that.